Hello everybody. So we're going to talk about the Whiffbox today. I have it right down here. Before we do that though, so today I delivered all of my local boxes and I started getting tagged and all, which I absolutely love, so thank you for doing that. But we do have, from that, we do have a lot of new people now in our group. So what I want to talk about is the difference in between the two boxes. So Scentsy creates their own personal mystery box every month. What was that? Okay, they create their own every single month. Then I personally create my own every single month. 2 different price points, 2 different sets of products, 2 different everything, okay? And that's the biggest difference, because people are like, wait a minute, what's this Whiffbox you're talking about, and what's this smelly surprise you're talking about? So what we're going to talk about today is the Whiffbox. Whiffbox is Scentsy's generated mystery box. It is different every single month. Okay, the price is $30 plus tax and shipping. Currently, due to everybody shopping like it's Black Friday every day, due to that fact, the only way that you could get this month's box or July's, and that's as far out as we know, is if you make a Scentsy Club or add it to your Scentsy Club. I will talk about Scentsy Club in a couple weeks, but think of it as like a subscription service where you go in, you create your subscription, and you say, I want the Scentsy Whiffbox every month. So you would go in and you would set it up, and you set it up to deliver every month, and it'll automatically bill, it'll automatically ship, and boom, you're getting the Scentsy created Whiffbox every single month. You can do it every 2 months. I want one, but I want it every other month. You can set it up to do that, or you could set it up to do every 3 months. There's a lot of other things that you can add to a Scentsy Club, but we're going to just talk about the one for right now. So if this is the only way to get this box that I'm going to show you, the only way is with a Scentsy Club. And if you need help setting that up, let me know. It's an amazing service. I had to think of the word. It's an amazing service for not just this, but for lots of other things, and I'm going to talk to you guys about it again before the end of the month. But for now, that's the only way to get this box. This box I'm going to show you, the only way to get it is through a Scentsy Club this month and next month, and then next month's box will be different. So let's break it open. So first thing, always super cute, top. There's always a little piece of paper, on the inside that's got some sort of fun activity. This one is, okay, it's like a bookmark. Fold the square. It tells you how to cut this out and make it into one of those little corner bookmarks. So every month it's always something different. Thanksgiving, it had like place card where you could cut it out and use for place settings. I know I am on like Ryan's toy review. They had place cards. They had a pinwheel one time. They had a recipe on how to make dog biscuits one time. So always different. There's always a little flyer in here that has some sort of fun little treat. Then we'll show you, and then we'll go break it all down. I just don't want anything to fall out. So these boxes are really good. I know some people are box crazy, like they want to know what's the box. It's a very sturdy box that can totally be used again. So let's break it down. Full-size products first. First one in this box is Sun-Kissed Citrus Counter Clean. We have Welcome Summer Scent Circle, which is this month's scent of the month, which is on back order. It's been back order since like the 3rd, I think. It's been a very, very popular scent. You have 2 bars this month. First one is Pina Colada Cha-Cha. And the next one is Here Comes the Sunflowers. Pina Colada is very, very pineapple and coconutty, sitting on a beach. It smells exactly like a pina colada. It's very, very summery, very good. Very, very nice. Here Comes the Sunflowers. It's very, very much like Beach Daisy, which is in one of our bringbacks. It's a tiny bit sweet, a tiny bit floral, but it's very good. Little orange. I smell some orange in there too. It's nice. I don't know if it smells like a sunflower though. I don't know if I've ever smelled a sunflower. Like I've gotten them, but I don't think I've ever smelled one to know if this is what it smells like. But so you get the 2 bars, and your last full-size item is full 2 pounds aloe water and cucumber Scentsy soak, which is our bath salts. It's got Epsom salts, Himalayan pink salts. What else does it have in it there? I can't think. It has aloe in it. It has sunflower oil in it. Vitamins and minerals, the whole shebang. 2 pounds. It is like a bath bomb broke down. If you bought a bath bomb and you smushed it all up, that's what Scentsy soak is. It's really nice. I am not a bath person, but I will put the stopper in the shower, and I will put a scoop in there while I take a shower, not only to scent my water in the bathroom and everything like that. I have bad feet. I have really bad feet, and it feels so nice on them. My feet are super soft when I get out. I'll lay in the bathtub with the shower on. I just can't sit in a bathtub for hours like people do. It's really good, and kids love, love, love the Scentsy soak. So you have 12, 22, 34, $37, I think. I don't do math. I think it's $37 worth of product in here that you paid $30 for, so you always get more product. Your product is always valued at more than what you paid. There's always samples in there of some sort. Either the cups, which they did not have in this one, they're bigger, and I don't have any with me right. Oh, hold on, I do. They usually have cup samples in there, but they didn't this one, and I think it's just because of everybody trying to buy everything. But they usually have these big fat cup samples in them, and these are about the equivalent to 2 cubes. So you usually have a sample like this in there, and then they throw in something else, and this time you get Luna Laundry Liquid and Luna Scent Soft, which is the same thing as fabric softener. So that, my friends, is the Scentsy Whiffbox for this month. Again, this is the one that Scentsy creates. It comes out on the 1st. It's available starting on the 1st of every month, and it changes on the 1st of every month. So this is June's box. July's box will be totally different. And the only way to get this is through Scentsy Club. If this is something you're interested in, comment below and I will help you. I will walk you through that. But it's a great service. You set it up, set it and forget it. You know, like the infomercial, set it and forget it. But I don't know if August, we used to be able to purchase these. You used to just be able to go on the website and purchase them. But in May, y'all shopped like crazy. March, April, May, y'all shopped like it was Black Friday every single day of the week. No joke. And we sold out of them. We sold out of them. We had Scentsy Club people, because we have people who have these in their club for months and months and months and months before. And we had to shut it off. We had to shut off the Whiffbox so that we had enough to make sure that our club people were going to get them, because they should have top bid on them, because they've been signed up for a really long time for them. So for June and July, we shut it off to the public as far as just being able to go on our website and buy it, and you have to do it through a club. Now some people are going to be like, oh, that's a pain, I don't want to create a club, I don't want to have to go in and remember to cancel it or, you know, change it. Here's the deal, it's cheaper shipping. If you would order it on the website, it's going to be $8 shipping. If you put this in a Scentsy Club and have it shipped, it's like $5 shipping. So there's a perk. But again, this is the Scentsy created Whiffbox, not my created Whiffbox. Mine's called a Smelly Surprise. I will have more information about that towards the end of this month. But I didn't want to confuse anybody because, like I said, we have a lot of new people in the group, and they joined because other people tagged them on my box. So difference, is there really a difference? The only, like I said, price point is different on the 2 boxes. Contents are different on the 2 boxes. I have no idea what's in Scentsy's, and Scentsy obviously has no clue what's in mine. So that's the big difference. You can totally do both of them. You can do one, you can do none. I just want to make sure that I show you guys what this one is. This is June's. If you want it, let me know, and we'll set you up with a club, and we'll go from there. So I hope you all have a great, great, great day. It's almost 5 o'clock already. I'm gonna get some more work done. I've been gone all day doing deliveries. So I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.